APJ Abdul Kalam biography. Kalam was an Indian aeronautical scientist who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. The ruling Bharatiya Janata Party and the Indian National Congress both supported Kalam's 2002 presidential campaign. Returned to his civilian life of education, literature, and public service following his single tenure. Abul Pakir Jainul Abdin Abdul Kalam was born on October 15, 1931, in the pilgrim town of Rameshwaram in the Tamil Nadu state of India. After graduating from the Madras Institute of Technology in 1960, Kalam joined the Defence Research and Development Organization's Aeronautical Development Establishment as a scientist after joining the Defence Research and Development Service, DRDS. Kalam was a scientific advisor to the Prime Minister and Secretary of the Defence Research and Development Organization from July 1992 until December 1999. After he retired, Kalam became a visiting professor at various academic and research institutions in India, including IIT Shillong, IIT Ahmedabad, and IIT Indore, a distinguished fellow of ISK, Bangalore, Chancellor of the Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology Thiruvananthapuram, and a professor of aerospace engineering at Anna University. On the morning of July 28, a C-130J Hercules transport aircraft flew from Shillong to Guwahati, and then on to New Delhi with the remains of Kalam. On the morning of July 29, Kalam's body, shrouded in the Indian flag, was flown to Palam Air Base and brought to Madurai Airport that afternoon. Manohar Parrikar, Venkaiah Naidu, Pon Radhakrishnan, cabinet ministers as well as state and national dignitaries, and the governors of Tamil Nadu and Meghalaya received his body. On July 30, 2015, the former president was buried in Rameshwaram with full state honors. As a nuclear scientist, Khaleda Zia remarked, he used his talents to benefit the public. Kalam is an inspirational figure to millions of people because we have a lot to learn from his life. He had a significant influence in the Indian space program as a respected scientist. People across the country and internationally viewed him as the people's president. Russian President Vladimir Putin offered profound condolences and conveyed his sympathies and solidarity to the relatives, the government, and the people of India. The United Nations conveys our heartfelt condolences to the people of India. Abdul Kalam National Memorial was established in remembrance of Kalam by the DRDO in Peikaram, Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. There was an occurrence after the terrorist attack on BAPS Akshardham, Gandhinagar complex in September 2002, when Pramukh Swami prayed for, and poured holy water upon, the places of all of the deceased, including the attackers. Kalam outlined an action plan to build India into a knowledge superpower and a developed nation by the year 2020 in his book India 2020. India has core competencies in integrated action in 5 key areas: 1. Agriculture and food processing, 2. Education and healthcare, 3. Information and communication technology, 4. Reliable and quality electric power, surface transport, and infrastructure for all regions of the country, and 5. Self-reliance in critical technologies. Transformative moment depicts Kalam's meeting with Pramukh Swami, the guru of the BAPS Swami Narayan Sampradaya, who leads India's 5-pronged vision of development. Kalam had a strong interest in various scientific and technological advancements, such as a biomedical implant research initiative. Following his passing, many people honored him. On the 15th of October 2015, Prime Minister Modi presented the stamps honoring Kalam at DRDO Bhavan in New Delhi on the 84th anniversary of his birth. Kalam's name was linked to various educational and scientific institutions, as well as other locales. People's President is a 2016 Indian documentary film that features Kalam.